I'm going to unbox my order from Dell. It's what is this?
Aurora 11.
This is Aurora 11. And then yeah, I just received this one this morning. I was waiting for this one for I could 2 weeks, yeah. Almost 2 weeks. I ordered this one October 11 and now it's 22. What? What's this one? Maybe the keyboard? I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah. It's the keyboard. Here is the power supply wire. What's this? Safety regulatory information. What's this? Alienware Aurora. Alienware Aurora 11. What's this? Is Chinese or Japanese? I don't know. How could I understand this one? Anyway, there is an English, I think. Yeah, that one. And this is I did not. Did I order the? Yeah, I forgot. Like order the what alien. I don't know what kind of. And here is the keyboard. Well, it looks nice. It looks nice. There is what's this? Now. And this is the main event. The main thing. Oh. Now here is the. Is this the front?
Yeah.
Well, it looks nice. I don't know if it's working. We'll put on the. Do you want to install this one today?
Yeah.
Now?
Later on. I'm in class though.